All right, hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we'll be talking about what we did on the way out of San Francisco, headed up the coast to Victoria, British Columbia. And that's coming up right after this. Back to Traveling with Justin. I am Justin, and today we are going to just look at a brief video about what we did on the way out of San Francisco. As we were on the water, we go underneath the Golden Gate Bridge. Now, I've crossed above the Golden Gate Bridge, above that, that 1 mile span there in San Francisco Bay, but I've never gone underneath it. It is actually a thing. It's very popular. Like when we were there, I thought the balcony would just be plenty, good enough, you could look up and see it. But we went up to the upper open deck, and it was on deck 12 in the back. And, there was a ton of people out there with their cameras taking pictures. We even had one guy out there with a big old camera tripod and Osmo Pocket. Don't know what that was for. But he was taking pictures of him and his wife as we were crossing underneath the Golden Gate Bridge. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. Right
you see that right there? Yeah, do you see that? The Golden Gate Bridge. We're gonna go under it. So we just went under the Golden Gate. If you have a chance, I would do that. It's kind of cool.
All right, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed that underneath the Golden Gate Bridge. It was kind of a cool experience. And, you can experience too. If you want to go rent a boat and go out there, you can. Or you can just take a cruise out of San Francisco. They go to Alaska, they go to Hawaii, they go to other places. So I would highly recommend that. All right, guys, until the next one, I will see you later. Bye.